Welcome to Unbound Abroad, where we explore the best cities around the world for digital nomads and remote workers seeking a perfect blend of affordability and high quality of life. In today's episode, we're venturing to Chiang Mai, a picturesque city in northern Thailand, known for its beautiful temples, lush landscapes, and vibrant expat community. So let's dive in and discover what makes Chiang Mai an ideal destination for digital nomads. Let's see if Chiang Mai is a good fit for your remote lifestyle on this episode of Unbound Abroad. Chiang Mai, a city deeply rooted in a rich history, graced with a year-round warm climate, and characterized by its remarkably affordable cost of living, has emerged as a highly sought-after destination for digital nomads and remote workers from all around the globe. Its amiable and inviting atmosphere, along with a burgeoning remote working scene that offers countless networking opportunities and an abundance of co-working spaces, has solidified Chiang Mai's reputation as a premier choice for individuals who desire a distinctive, engaging, and fulfilling living experience as they traverse the world and immerse themselves in various cultures. The city's unique blend of ancient traditions, modern amenities, and a strong sense of community creates an unparalleled environment for digital nomads to thrive personally and professionally. Chiang Mai offers digital nomads an affordable cost of living while maintaining a high quality of life. The city boasts a variety of housing options that cater to different budgets, an array of diverse and delicious food choices, and cost-effective transportation solutions, ensuring remote workers can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. Additionally, Chiang Mai provides reliable and affordable internet services, making it an attractive destination for those seeking a balanced living experience that covers essential aspects like housing, food, transportation, and internet connectivity. When it comes to housing in Chiang Mai, digital nomads can expect a range of options to suit different budgets and preferences. A one-bedroom apartment in the city center typically ranges from $300 to $600 per month, depending on the location, amenities, and overall condition of the property. For those seeking more space or a more residential setting, two-bedroom houses in Chiang Mai are also available at attractive prices. Rent for a two-bedroom house generally starts around $400 per month in suburban areas and can go up to $800 per month in more upscale neighborhoods or properties with additional features such as a garden or a private pool. Regardless of whether you prefer a cozy apartment or a spacious house, Chiang Mai's housing market offers excellent value for money, allowing digital nomads to find their ideal living space while keeping costs in check. Chiang Mai's food scene is a delightful mix of local flavors and international cuisine, offering digital nomads a wide array of delicious and affordable dining options. The city is particularly renowned for its vibrant street food culture, where you can indulge in authentic Thai dishes, such as pad Thai and mango sticky rice, for as little as $1 to $3 per dish. For those who prefer cooking at home, Chiang Mai's local markets are a treasure trove of fresh produce, meats, and spices, allowing you to make your favorite Thai dishes or experiment with new culinary creations. On average, a digital nomad can expect to spend around $25 to $50 per week on groceries, depending on individual preferences and dietary needs. And with its growing expat community, the city also boasts an expanding selection of international grocery stores, catering to a variety of tastes and dietary preferences. When it comes to dining out, Chiang Mai offers options for every budget and palate, from cozy cafes and budget-friendly eateries where meals can cost around $3 to $5, to mid-range restaurants with prices ranging from $10 to $20 per person. You'll find an assortment of establishments serving both Thai and international cuisine. For those special occasions or a fine dining experience, high-end restaurants offer exquisite dishes at prices starting from $30 per person and up. No matter your mood or budget, Chiang Mai's food scene has something to satisfy your cravings without putting a strain on your wallet. Getting around Chiang Mai is a breeze, thanks to the city's numerous and affordable transportation options. For short trips within the city, tuk-tuks are a popular choice, offering a fun and uniquely Thai experience. Fares typically range from $1 to $3 for shorter rides, Though it's always a good idea to agree on the price beforehand, taxis and ride-sharing services like Grab are also widely available, providing a more comfortable and air-conditioned alternative to tuk-tuks. Fares usually start around $2 and can vary depending on the distance traveled. For longer journeys, Chiang Mai's train station connects the city to other destinations within Thailand, including Bangkok. Ticket prices vary based on the class of service and destination, but generally start from around $15 for a one-way trip to Bangkok in the second-class sleeper carriage. Finally, renting a scooter is a popular choice for digital nomads who want to explore Chiang Mai and its surrounding areas at their own pace. Scooter rentals typically cost between $5 and $10 per day, depending on the model and rental duration. Just make sure to drive safely and always wear a helmet. With so many transportation options at your disposal, getting around Chiang Mai is both easy and budget-friendly, making it a perfect choice for digital nomads looking to explore this beautiful city. In Chiang Mai, digital nomads can easily stay connected thanks to the city's reliable and fast internet options. Many cafes, co-working spaces, and accommodations offer Wi-Fi, with average speeds ranging from 30 to 50 megabytes per second. Some locations even boast speeds up to 100 megabytes per second or more, making it easy to work and stay in touch with friends and family from anywhere in the city. Digital nomads can confidently work and play in this beautiful city without worrying about connectivity issues. And there you have it, Chiang Mai, with its affordable cost of living, rich culture, and welcoming community, is an ideal destination for digital nomads seeking a one-of-a-kind experience. As we wrap up our exploration of Chiang Mai, we hope this information has given you valuable insights into what life in this enchanting city could look like for a digital nomad. Whether you're considering making Chiang Mai your next home or simply planning a visit to experience its charm, we're confident that you'll fall in love with this captivating city. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Unbound Abroad. Take a moment and share your experiences in Chiang Mai or tell us where you would like to work remotely from. If we choose your location, you'll get a shout out in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes exploring the best cities for digital nomads around the world. Until next time, keep exploring and always remember to live the unbound life.